how to end premature ejaculation permanently. That is what I am going to share with you people in today's video. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know how to end premature ejaculation in case if you experience premature ejaculation. But what is a premature ejaculation? Before I proceed on this, I want to say thanks to all my subscribers, people that support this channel. As you support this channel, God will always support you in everything you are doing. Thank you for supporting this channel. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. If you are new on this channel, you want to know more about men and natural ways to keep men, consider to subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload videos concerning men and natural ways to keep them. So how are you going to end premature ejaculation permanently? Premature ejaculation is what most men experiences due to some illness or some ailments that may cause this premature ejaculation. But what is a premature ejaculation? A premature ejaculation is when a man comes unexpectedly. When your partner didn't expect you to come, you come. It is called premature ejaculation. Now, how are you going to end it permanently? Once you experience premature ejaculation, what are you going to do in order to end it finally? You can never experience it again. How to end it is nothing but avoid anything that will hurt your immune system and your body system. That's all. If you can do this, you can never experience premature ejaculation. Do you get this answer? You can only end premature ejaculation permanently when you avoid anything that will hurt your immune system and your body system. Watch it. If you encounter your partner without using a condom, always use a condom to avoid infection. If you eat unhealthy food, always eat healthy food. Anything that will disrupt your immune system, anything that will disorganize your body system, avoid it or avoid them. If you do this, you will never experience premature ejaculation, because once your immune system is in order, no infection, no anything that will disrupt your immune system, including your body system, that means that you must always perform well as a man. You can never experience erectile dysfunction. You can never experience premature ejaculation. Infections, malnutrition, stress, so on and so forth, all these things contribute to premature ejaculation. But if you can avoid all these things, both all these ones that I mentioned and others, you can never experience premature ejaculation. So avoid anything that will disrupt your immune system or anything that will affect your body system. If you do this, you can never experience premature ejaculation. So that is how to end it permanently. Somebody can say, take drug. What if you take drug after you embark on stress, or maybe you take drug this week, in the next 2-3 months you are infected with 1 or 2 germs? Can't you see that you will still experience premature ejaculation? But if you make yourself available to avoid anything at all that will hurt your immune system or disrupt your body system, you can never experience premature ejaculation. And that is the ultimate way to end premature ejaculation. So that is it for today's video. If you get value, consider to hit the like button. Subscribe to be a member of this channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Like and share this video to your friends and families. Bye for now.